What's up, guys? It's Mike Banks. I'm the Chief Operations Officer here at Fund&Grow, and I'm also a part-time real estate investor. So I wanted to bring you this video and talk about how you can use and how I use business credit lines in my real estate flipping business. So right now, I have a property under contract. I'm planning to do some renovations to it, a new AC, cosmetic rehab, basic stuff. But I got a really great deal on it. It's an off-market deal that I found. And now by having access to business credit, I'm able to lock that property down and I'm able to fund that purchase as a cash deal, which is, hard to come by unless you actually have cash. But with a business credit line, you can literally close on this deal. I'm going to close on this deal by sending a wire transfer directly from the credit line to the closing company for escrow so that I can close on a cash off-market deal. And I've done this before, and I've got thousands of clients that have done it literally thousands of times. So I just wanted to talk to you briefly about that and how exciting it is for me to be able to do all of this without actually having any money in my bank account. Well, I do, but I don't have to dip into that money in my bank account. I can use business credit lines to cover the renovations, to cover the purchase. I don't have to do any of that out of pocket. So it's a really, really great thing to be using, whether you're in real estate, whether you're in e-commerce business, or whatever type of business you might be in. Specifically today, we're talking about flipping houses. And that tends to be what a lot of our clients are doing. A lot of our clients come to the Fund and Grow program so that they can get access to funding, so that they can buy more deals, so that they could do more flips, so that they could pay the contractors, so that they can literally grow their real estate business. And I'm personally experiencing that. So I just wanted to talk to you briefly today about how easy it is to use business credit. And there's a vendor called Plastic that you can use where you could send a wire transfer to close on deals just by using Plastic. And we talk a lot about that to our clients who go through our program. So if you're interested in learning how to use this in your real estate business, whether you do flips, maybe you're a landlord, we have a ton of landlords that go through our program, and then they go and they buy properties directly from our partner who sells turnkey rental properties. So if you're a landlord, if you're a flipper, if you're just wholesaling right now, this is a great thing to get into your tool belt, because once you have access to the funding that you need, you can get to the next level. So if right now you're just wholesaling, it'll get you to that next level of flipping. You can start buying cheaper deals and fixing them up and selling them. And then you can move on and maybe get hard money loans down the road so that you can grow and do even more deals. But this is going to really help you to do an extra deal or to get that first deal done. And also, like I said, you're going to be able to pay the rehab contractors and get everything taken care of all on a zero interest business credit line. So if you'd like to learn more, feel free to go to the link and put your information in so that we can then call you and give you your pre-qualification amount that you'll receive in the next 2 weeks. Now, if you just want more information, you should then also subscribe to the channel, because we are going to be putting out a lot more information on using business credit in a variety of different businesses. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day. Thank you so much.